Well, Asian markets largely flat today as we look at investors who seem to be holding back ahead of those numbers out of the US tonight when you get the non-farm payrolls data. The consensus market forecast is expecting a bit of an improvement, so perhaps that's why we're seeing the dollar crosses drifting higher through the day. One of the biggest losers has been the ringgit. Malaysia, of course, a net exporter of oil, so sliding oil prices haven't been doing any favors for the ringgit. The currency is down 3% over the past month and down 10% since August. So quite a bit of pressure on the currency, and today's trade balance numbers hasn't done it any favors as well. Exports shrunk 3.2%, imports shot up 9.1%, so even more pressure on the ringgit. Also interesting to watch today has been the Chinese markets. It's recorded its biggest intraday swings in 4 years. The Shanghai Composite has been down by as much as 3% and up by around the same figure as well. So speculators entering the market in a big way, and that's also been bidding up the China A50 and is set for its 12th straight session, a 12th straight positive session. So over the past 2 weeks, it's been up about 25%, and it's going to be interesting to see how far it's going to carry on going. There's been few fundamental events to explain the rise. PMI earlier this week hasn't been encouraging. PMI numbers for manufacturing hit 50.3. That was an 8-month low. So it's going to be largely driven by, at least we're expecting this rally was driven by a lot of speculation on potential stimulus measures with the soft data coming through. So the more soft data we see continuing over the horizon, that's going to raise the likelihood of the rally continuing as people expect the central bank to push out perhaps a reserve requirement ratio move over the next few weeks. So trade balance numbers out next week could be another trigger point. Exports are expected to slow to about 8.1% from 11.6%. So the softening data could raise a more likelihood of stimulus measures. So China A50 looks like we're getting a lot of this stimulus measures being priced in. So this could be one that we could be buying on the rumor and selling on the news.